I built a marketing agency using only AI tools. Everyone is saying the same thing. AI is replacing jobs. AI is replacing marketers. AI is replacing businesses. But nobody seems to be asking the obvious question. If AI is really that powerful, can it build an actual marketing agency? Not a fake one. Not a school project. A real agency. One that could potentially get real clients. So that's exactly what I decided to test. For the next 24 hours, I would build a marketing agency using AI for everything. The name, the offer, the website, the outreach, even the sales emails. If AI is the future, it should be able to do all of that, right? Well, not exactly. The first task was choosing a service. This sounds simple, but it's actually where most agencies fail. Beginners try to offer everything. SEO, websites, ads, social media, content creation, everything, which usually means they're good at nothing. So I asked AI a simple question. If you had to start a marketing agency today, what would you sell? Its answer was surprisingly smart. Lead generation. One service, one problem, one outcome. Businesses want customers. Lead generation gets customers. Simple. So now I had an offer. Next, I needed a brand. And this is where AI became terrifyingly fast. In less than 5 minutes, I had a business name, a slogan, a logo concept, even a mission statement. Honestly, some companies spend weeks doing this. AI did it before I finished my coffee. At this point, I was impressed. But then came the real test. Could AI help me find actual clients? I started feeding local business websites into AI. Restaurants, roofers, gyms, dentists. And something interesting happened. The AI started spotting problems almost instantly. No contact forms, outdated websites, terrible offers, missing calls to action. It was like having an unpaid marketing consultant. For every business, AI generated a list of improvements. And suddenly, I had a reason to contact them. Now we were getting somewhere. Next came outreach, the part everyone hates. And honestly, the first emails AI wrote were awful. They sounded like a robot pretending to be a human. Formal, generic, completely forgettable. If I had sent them exactly as written, nobody would have replied. So I changed one thing. Instead of asking AI to write sales emails, I asked it to write messages that sounded like a normal person. The difference was huge. The emails became shorter, cleaner, more direct, less marketing, more conversation. Then I started sending them. And that's when reality hit. Because building an agency is easy, getting attention is hard. The first 10 emails, nothing, 20, nothing, 30, still nothing. At this point, I started wondering if the whole experiment was a waste of time. Maybe AI wasn't as powerful as everyone claimed. Maybe building an agency still required something machines couldn't provide. Then it happened. A reply. Not a client. Not a sale. Just a reply. But that single response changed everything. Because now, the agency wasn't theoretical anymore. A real person had responded. A real business owner had engaged. And suddenly, the experiment felt real. That's when I realized something important. The biggest lie about AI isn't that it's useless. It's that people think it's magic. AI didn't build my agency. AI accelerated my agency. There's a huge difference. The strategy still mattered. The offer still mattered. The outreach still mattered. And most importantly, trust still mattered. No business owner is paying ChatGPT. They're paying the person who solves their problem. AI can make you faster. AI can make you more productive. AI can save you hundreds of hours. But it still can't replace judgment. It still can't replace trust. And it definitely can't replace execution. So can you build a marketing agency using only AI tools? Technically, yes. But after this experiment, I think the better question is this. What happens when one person starts working like a team of 10? Because that's where things start getting really interesting. And that's exactly what I'm testing next.